Chevy Camaro water pump. And it is bad. Look at that. Took the belt off and it's just about to come apart. Just wobbly. Bearings are toast. So we're going to install a new water pump on it and get it back on the road. When you take that pulley off, it's just a couple of bolts behind it. They look like they're 10 millimeters, and the water pump comes right off. You have to take your tube off. It goes to the throttle body. Get right down there to it. I don't think you have to take the plenum off. You should be able to snake it up out of there. Get it on out. But I'll show you what it looks like. Here's the new water pump with the gasket and some studs. Well, the screws come with it. And here's the water pump. Just a couple bolts. You can probably get on the side of the road. Be back going real quick. So this is my first time installing one on one of those the belt has rubbed one of the bolts down there by the pulley. Not the pulley, but the water pump went so bad, wobbling the pulley, the belt was slapping this 10 millimeter bolt. It has rubbed half of it off. And that's the last bolt that holds the water pump on. So try and put your 10 millimeter on there. Let it stay on there. Check the bolt and make sure that the bolt is not rubbed out. I guess that's why they give you new bolts with the water pump. So you can have new bolts put on in case they get damaged. But I gotta extract it, and then the water pump will be ready to come out. Alright, got the water pump off, and here's the pulley, and that bolt was actually rubbing the backside of the pulley because the bearings are so bad in the water pump. It's causing it to wobble, and it rubbed that bolt. So that's why they give you new bolts, because they knew that the pulley was going to rub that bolt where you can't get it out. I just used some vice grips and got it out, and came right out fairly easy. But I got a rag soaking up the antifreeze right now, so I can add some sealant. You're going to lose some coolant. I got a pan down there at the bottom. So that's it on that. Is installed with the new bolts, and ready to put the pulley on, put the belt on, and top it off with some coolant. It had the Dex Cool in it, I think the pink kind. It didn't look orange. Hopefully he bought the right antifreeze, and he should be good to go. Well, she's all back together now. I just got to rinse off the coolant. That has spilt, so it won't smell bad. And the heat is working. She said the heat stopped working. Well, that's because we had no coolant. Good to go. Rinse it off. Problems, come pick it up. Keep going on 100,000 miles. 2016 Camaro water pump tank. Out.